A historic clash as Teen Phenom Cooper Flag faced Wembanyama. The Hornets entered on an 8-game winning streak. In the battle of top picks, a Flag move sent Devin Vassell tumbling. The game tipped off. Flag instantly guarded Wembanyama, who hit an early 3-pointer. Flag answered with a jumper before Wembanyama was called for an offensive foul. Victor Wembanyama started strong, scoring 9 unanswered points. Wembanyama sank 3 straight triples, dwarfing his opponent. The matchup intensified as the game remained close. Action erupted with a high-arcing layup, a 3-pointer, and an end-one bucket. Many franchises had shown interest. Dallas ultimately passed on Daniel Gafford, as did the Lakers with Najee Marshall. A pull-up 3 from Julian Champagny put Flag's team down by 7. The rookie soared for a spectacular driving dunk for the Mavericks. San Antonio's own rookie, Dylan Harper, watched Gafford commit 2 turnovers. Keldon Johnson provided a solid performance. He had recently scored 25 points off the bench in 29 minutes. The Spurs led 38-35 after 1, but Dallas responded with an alley-oop. Rookie Ryan Eubanks made an instant impact. The Mavericks point guard showcased a dazzling hesitation move for a layup. All eyes were on Victor Wembanyama as he was swarmed in the post. A corner 3 exploited the Spurs zone, creating an opening. Amidst the stars, rookie Stephon Castle also made his presence felt. Cooper Flag scored again. Flag sank another mid-range shot right after Castle threw down a one-handed dunk. Wembanyama faked a 3, dishing for an assist as his teammate neared double digits. Dylan Harper's crafty mid-air layup electrified the home crowd. A 7'4" Dwight Powell contested a tough step-back jumper. Klay Thompson got his first basket off a screen, drawing a shooting foul. After an end-one play, Carter Bryant set up Wembanyama for an alley-oop slam. Flag answered with a basket of his own, needing a defensive switch to score. He hit a difficult shot, aided by Wembanyama's commanding presence in the paint. Flag was held to just 5 of 13 shooting as Wembanyama assisted Harper. Victor Wembanyama emphatically blocked a shot from Cooper Flag. Najee Marshall's 20 points led Dallas, while Wembanyama also scored 20. At halftime, Wembanyama had 5 threes, leading 74-63. Flag began the third quarter aggressively, hitting a 3 from the top. Following another basket from Flag, Wembanyama initiated a fast break. The alley-oop play was perfectly executed, a testament to great effort. A beautiful pass led to a corner 3 before Wembanyama drove to the basket. Wemby used superb footwork for a bank shot with Dallas still down by 10. A fadeaway from Devin Vassell added to Najee Marshall's game-high 26 points. The Mavericks mounted a comeback, cutting the lead to 93-91. Carter Bryant stepped in as the Spurs' backup center. A Miles Kelly corner 3 made it a nail-biting 1-point game. With 2 minutes left in the third quarter, Harper found himself staring down Phenom Victor Wembanyama. Flag then hit a stunning shot to beat the buzzer, closing the gap to 99-96 as the Spurs headed into the final frame. The Mavericks rookie had 23 points, just shy of the Aliens' 24. Daniel Gafford executed a masterful reverse layup in traffic right against Wembanyama. He was already sitting on 17 points after a barrage of threes, but Cooper Flag had an answer, pushing his own total to 28. He was just 2 points shy of another 30-point performance, which would mark his fourth in a row. At the 9-minute mark of the fourth, Cooper Flag hit his 30th point. He became the youngest player in NBA history to score 30 or more points in 4 consecutive games. Dylan Harper responded with a huge basket, but Cooper Flag was then blocked, fumbling the ball to Keldon Johnson. Yet, Flag redeemed himself, schooling Victor Wembanyama with a high-arcing floater. One could only imagine the damage if Kyrie Irving were still part of Dallas's offense. A clutch 3-pointer from Stephon Castle made it 125-119, but Flag answered right back with another floater. Victor Wembanyama's block on Daniel Gafford was surgically clean, highlighting a persistent closing problem for Dallas. As the clock wound down, a victory for the Mavericks seemed increasingly unlikely. With clutch player De'Aaron Fox on the floor, the San Antonio Spurs secured the win, though it couldn't overshadow Flag's monumental night. He was the first teenager in the history of the league to post 30-plus points in 4 straight appearances. In other league news, the Charlotte Hornets are currently a dominant force. They secured their 8th consecutive victory against the Houston Rockets, neutralizing Kevin Durant and Alperen Sengun in a 109-99 win, despite Durant's 31 points. The once struggling Charlotte Hornets have now surged into a play-in tournament spot